All right, welcome back to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we finally get to see the real 2023 Subaru Solterra. Let's talk about that right now. All right, for the US, we actually get the bigger battery pack. So we get the 71.4 kilowatt hour battery pack in the Subaru. Not sure why the BZ4X is getting a smaller one here in the States, but we are getting the bigger one for the Subaru. They didn't mention anything front wheel drive, so maybe it's safe to assume it's going to be coming in all wheel drive only. The Toyota is going to be coming in front wheel drive with the 201 horsepower engine or all wheel drive 215, but maybe the Subaru is just going to go all wheel drive only because Subaru is known for their symmetrical all wheel drive. So maybe that's where they want to go because they did not mention front wheel drive. Now, the specs are very similar to what the BZ4X are. So same 215 horsepower. I have some word on torque now, 246 foot-pounds of torque. 220 miles of range plus is the estimate for the United States. I know on the European cycle, the Japanese cycle, it's higher, but here in the States, they're estimating 220 miles of range plus. So that's what we're expected to get here. They say that on a fast charger, it can get to 80% in 30 minutes. So that's really good. Ground clearance is better than I thought it was going to be. 8.3 inches of ground clearance. So not bad for an EV crossover, actually. So what do you guys think of the Subaru Solterra? Are you guys going to get the BZ4X? Or are you guys going to get the Subaru? Or there's so many new EVs that are coming out. Tell me which one down below you would get. I do like some of the minor differences as far as interior colors it looks like for the Subaru. And then I like that it's got the bigger battery pack. And I don't know. I know they look almost identical, but I think I would lean more towards Subaru if I was picking one. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Thank you for watching.